Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Outlook version and whether your account is Exchange, Microsoft 365, or a map, because only certain accounts support cached mode. Back up your PSD or OSD now so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Outlook and go straight to File Account Settings. This first step prepares the profile for offline caching and saves you time, since enabling offline mode modifies local data files and sync behavior immediately. Next, enable offline operation. Select your account in Account Settings and turn on Cached Exchange mode for Exchange/365 accounts. For a map, enable the Download/Sync settings and choose folders to keep offline. Then set the mail to keep offline slider to the desired range. 3 months reduces disk use, all stores everything. If Outlook prompts to restart, allow it. If mail fails to sync, rebuild the OSD by deleting or recreating the cache, so Outlook downloads a fresh copy of server data. Finalize by confirming folders show the correct sync status and by forcing an immediate send/receive all folders so local copies populate. Make sure offline search works and that attachments open without network access. If you encounter missing mail or sync errors, clear the offline cache. Close Outlook, rename or delete the OSD file, then restart to recreate it. If that fails, create a new Outlook profile to rule out profile corruption. This almost always resolves stubborn offline problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.